In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to get started with ClickFunnels, the one platform to build all of your funnels, whether it's marketing, sales, or your CRM. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to clickfunnels.com and enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address over here and then just click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started over here, you can proceed with your free account on ClickFunnels. So to get started, first off, we're going to enter our first name and our last name, like so. And then we're going to proceed with our phone number and our card information. So once we have set up some of our basic payment information to get started with our trial, we are going to proceed over here. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on no thanks. I don't want 100 free days of ClickFunnels. And we're just going to proceed over here like so. Once we do that, we can get started and we're going to choose our funnel type, but we can skip this and directly lead ourselves to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Now, once you do that, you can choose your basic sign up. So in your basic sign up, you're going to choose your way that you're looking to use ClickFunnels. If you want to generate leads, if you want to sell products online, or if you want to sell physical products. So I am going to generate leads, and this is the primary purpose that I want to use it for. So on the left of ClickFunnels, you're going to find your menu bar, in that you have your funnels. Then you have all of your products, including different collections and inventory you can manage. Then you have customers, which can be added in segments. And then you have orders, subscriptions, payments, invoices. And then you have other applications. So you can click on add apps to add multiple different applications, such as landing pages, stores, sites, payments, affiliate centers, automations, countdowns, and much more in ClickFunnels. Depending on what you're optimizing your use for, you can add applications accordingly.